Hey, pretty bird flock. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning. I promised you guys updates whenever anything's going on. Well, pretty bird is acting weird. She woke me up with a very high-pitched sound, not a usual sound she makes. It almost sounded like a sneeze. She's done it twice total. One that woke me up and then one after. I don't know if it's like a discomfort sound that maybe if she does turn out to be a female like we believe she is, that maybe she's working on laying an egg and, you know, is in labor or something, or if she's actually coming down with something, that maybe she caught something when she was outside. As you can see, she's not acting like she usually does in the shower, even in the evening, like when she was sick a few months ago. If she was in the shower, she was feeling better. She was playing. She was drinking the water. Even if it was in the middle of the night or super early in the morning, like she was active. And right now, she just is acting not herself. So I'm going to continue monitoring her, likely until my husband wakes up, at minimum. And at that point, I'll probably take a nap and have him keep an eye on her. I'm going to go ahead and clean her nest just in case. Just to double. Like, just in case there's anything in there that's somehow making her not feel okay. As you can see, she's falling asleep. Now, there's been times if she's taking a long shower, she'll fall asleep in the shower after a while. But she started this shower maybe, I don't know, 5, at most 10 minutes ago. It's just not normal behavior. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but her eyelid is slowly closing. It starts from the bottom, actually, instead of the top. And you kind of see the color white show up, and it kind of blurred. I do not want to use my flashlight right now, because I don't want to scare her. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and keep cuddling with her, keep watching her, and I'll give you guys an update for sure sometime tomorrow. I'll let you know if she's still acting funny or odd or off, or if she's doing better. Maybe this is just something where, you know, something stressed her out. Maybe she had something stuck in her throat for a minute, and now she's just tired or exhausted. I don't know. But like I said, I'm going to watch her closely. And don't worry. I don't care how much of whatever we don't have. I will absolutely do anything for this bird. Right, Pip Bird? Pip Bird. Cuckoo. Hi, baby. Hi, bird. Yeah, hi. Hi, honey. I know. I know, baby. I know. Oh. You keep them on my hand? You remember? Leaning against the wall. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you in, well, a couple hours, sometime later on today. Alright. Bye, guys. We love you all.